Method 1. Doing a basic cleaning. 1. Gather supplies. Before cleaning your bong, you'll need to round up some supplies, including a sink or basin, coarse salt, rice, or baking soda, rubbing alcohol, vinegar, or another cleaner, clean water, and latex gloves. 2. Empty the bong and rinse, and fill it with warm water. While wearing your latex gloves, empty out your bong as well as you can. Pour out old bong water and remove any spent herb. Then give it a good rinse with warm water to remove any remaining solid particles. Finally, fill the bong partway with some of the warm water you're using. 3. Disassemble your bong. Take it apart so that the individual pieces can be cleaned. Remove all movable parts, including the pipe and mouthpiece. As you take your bong apart, check for any damage such as chips or cracks. You'll need to replace any damaged pieces before using your bong again. 4. Add coarse salt and rubbing alcohol to your bong. Next, you'll need to add an abrasive and a cleaner into the base of the bong so that they can work together to clean the inside. Coarse salt and isopropyl alcohol typically work best for this, but you can also use vinegar and rice or baking soda. The stronger the rubbing alcohol, the better. Ideally, you would use 1/90%. Alternatively, you can use something like Formula 420, in which case skip the salt. Pour it in and proceed as normal. 5. Plug the holes and shake it up. Use your hands, fingers, and thumbs to plug or block the open holes of the bong so that your abrasive and cleaner don't cause a big mess. Shake it for about 5 minutes to get the best possible result. 6. Rinse and repeat. Empty the cleaning solution into a sink and rinse it out completely with clean water. Repeat the cleaning process as many times as you need to, but once is usually enough. Method 2. Cleaning tough areas and stains. 1. Pre-soak your bong in warm water and dish soap. If your bong is especially dirty, it might be best to soak it in a sink, basin, or bathtub full of warm water and just a squirt of dish soap. Let your bong soak for about an hour or two before you start the cleaning process. Be very conservative with the dish soap. If you use too much, your bong might produce an unpleasant soapy aftertaste the next several times you smoke. 2. Soak small pieces in plastic bags. Put all of the small pieces of your bong into resealable bags with about a tablespoon of coarse salt. Fill the resealable bag with enough rubbing alcohol to completely submerge the pieces. Shake the bags for a few seconds and then let the pieces soak for several minutes. Then, rinse them off with clean water. 3. Use a cotton swab or pipe cleaner. Use either plastic cotton swabs or pipe cleaners to scrub around the nooks and crannies of your bong where resin and water stains are harder to reach and remove. Dip them in a little bit of rubbing alcohol before scrubbing. 4. Get rid of water stains with lemon juice. To easily remove water stains in your bong, put some warm water and lemon juice in the base and swish it around. Then, rinse your bong out with cold water. Method 3. Taking care of your bong. 1. Use filtered water in your bong. The minerals in tap water and unfiltered spring water can cause water stains to form in your bong. To prevent this, always use filtered water when you smoke. It's also a good idea to use filtered water when cleaning your bong, or at least rinse it with filtered water after cleaning. 2. Change out the water in your bong daily. If you change out your bong water each day, your bong will stay much cleaner. When old water sits in your bong, mold can form. This is pretty gross on its own, but mold also means mold stains, which can make cleaning your bong a more extensive process. 3. Clean your bong once a week. This is another way to keep mold from forming and ultimately avoid getting mold stains. Try to do at least a brief cleaning weekly to keep your bong squeaky clean. 4. Store your bong in a bong bag or hard case. Since your bong is made of glass, it's susceptible to cracking and breaking if you aren't careful. When storing and traveling with your bong, consider keeping it in a protective bag or case to keep anything from happening to it.